it's kind of like the literature. There's something, I mean, a lot of it has to do with the fact that it was so short-lived, and so, it's so dated for one, but there's something that I love about getting the glimpse into this world, and the fact that most of these were either filmed in New Jersey or things like Grünefelder or the Dybbuk. I think Grünefelder was, but the Dybbuk definitely was filmed, on location in a Polish shtetl, and it really is with a lot of the extras, for example. It was Yiddish Film, which was filmed in Poland. A lot of the extras, for example, were just, they were real, like, Emes shtetl Jews, and I mean, that's one level, but also on another level, there's a real sense of potential there that was never realized for obvious reasons, but there's something about seeing this and seeing this, like, and just, imagine what this would be like today. It wouldn't be like a Geschäft. It would be, there would be the whole broad range of, like, what we have in English language cinema. And for the fact that some of these movies made money, and made money from non-Jewish audiences, there's something really amazing about that. And that being said, some of the films are just beautiful examples of expressionist filmmaking. Like the Dybbuk is my favorite of all Yiddish film. And there are some scenes in that where you can just, you see, Metropolis or Caligari, just reflections of the style and the beautiful use of light and music. It's just, I can't get over how wonderful these movies are, even though they're all made in the 30s.